Hi kids, welcome to NSC Veda channel. I hope everybody is fine. This is your Vedantam Ramakrishna. So today we are going to see another new mental ability type. Its name is series. So I want to explain this mental ability type with a example so that you can better understand it. You see, for example, if I draw a line like this, and next if I draw a line like this, if I draw a dotted line like this, and next I draw a line like this, next I have drawn a dotted line like this, then if I ask you what would be the next step, so definitely everybody will say that you have to draw a line like this. So how you were able to say this? By seeing the previous steps. In the series question, you have to check what is happening from first step to second step to third step. So there is a relation between first step to second step and from second step to third step. How they are happening? If you observe it properly, then getting the answer is very easy. Okay. Next, you see, for example, I have drawn a question like this and I have put a circle like this. Next, I have drawn a straight line. So here three steps are there. First, one slanting line, one circle, one. Next, I have drawn a line like this. Next, I have put a circle like this. And next, I have drawn a like this. Next, I have drawn a line like this. If I ask you, definitely you will say the next step is putting the circle. So, understand the relationship between first to second, second to third, and establish the same relationship to get the answer. That is the series question. Let us solve few questions. In analogy, we will check the relationship between only first two things and establish the relationship between third and fourth. But in series, there will be a relation between first to second and second to third. But in analogy, there will not be any relation between second to third. Just I want to remove your confusion. You see, in analogy question, for example, I have drawn like this, and in the next diagram, I have drawn like this. So, what I told in analogy question, understand the relationship between first two things. Just establish the relationship between third and fourth. For example, I have drawn a square here like this. If I ask what is the answer? So what is the relationship here? From first to second, the circle is same, some arrow has come. So same thing should happen to the figure which is here. If it is a star, arrow should be attached to a star. As it is a square, the answer would be this. Here, in analogy question, there is no relationship between this and this, second to third. Got it? But in a series question, for example, same series question, how it will be? For example, I have drawn first figure is like this. Series question will be like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 diagrams will be there and question will be there. So first this is this. First I kept like this. Next you see next figure. Assume this is like this. Then if I ask you, here there is a relationship between first figure to second figure. What is the relationship? To the circle, one arrow is attached. Next from second figure to third figure, what is the relationship? The same figure is existing and additionally one arrow came in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means reverse. Gadiyaramlo mullu reverse dirigite anti-clockwise direction. So in the anti-clockwise direction one arrow has come. So now you can expect one more arrow should come in the anti-clockwise direction. So he will put the answers like this. He will give the answers like this. So this is A option, B option, C option, D option. First one you see like this, like this, like this, like this. This is first option. Second option you see like this, and like this. This is the second option you see. Third option is like this, and like this. Third option. Now you see like this, and like this. So which is the correct answer? You see, from this figure to this figure, from this figure to this figure, here the initial figure existing as it is, some additional has come. From here to here, this part, complete part is present here and some additional has come. So similarly, this complete part should be there. So here it is changed. This is wrong. Here you see the arrow is coming in anti-clockwise direction, but here came in clockwise direction. This is wrong. So this is the correct answer. I hope you got it, the difference between the analogy and series. In analogy question, there is a relationship between only two figures. Same thing we have to do for third figure. But in a series question, there is a relation between first to second, second to third. We have to understand that relationship and you have to get the answer. Okay, we'll solve one more question. If somebody asks you, what is the answer? Just think, what is happening from first figure to second figure? It is a three-lined figure. How many lines it has? 1, 2, 3. It is a three-lined figure. In next figure, four-lined figure has come. Means 3 plus 1. So 4-lined figure has come. One side is increased. In next figure, 5-lined means 4 plus 1. Five-sided figure has come. So definitely in the next figure, the next figure should be 6-line figure. So the answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. Got it? Next. Okay, next question. You see here I have a circle. Have a this is circle. Next you see circle, star. Next circle, star, square. Now start thinking what is happening. By the time I write the answers, start thinking what is happening. Okay, guess the answer. Guess what would be the answer. Okay, you see first what happened from first figure to second figure. There is a circle in the square box top left. It is rotated in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means jump to next corner. After that, in the clockwise direction only some new figure has come. That is the relationship here. Okay, now from here to here what happened? Circle is there, star is there, but again they have rotated in the clockwise direction one step. Means here circle rotated and came here, here star rotated and came here, and new figure has come. Now you understood the logic. The figures in the previous picture needs to be rotated one step in the clockwise direction and some new figure has to come. That is the logic. Now you see this circle has to be here. Now you know this circle has to be here. You see, is that circle here? No, this is wrong. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Next you expect star should go that place. So star is at should be that place. Yes, 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 right. Next you expect this square should come this place. This square should this square should come this place. Now you see here there is no square. Here circle. So this might be the correct answer. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now start cross verifying all the things. Circle moved here, yes. Star moved here, yes. Square moved here, yes. New figure has come, Delhi, yes, correct. So that is the reason Delhi is the correct answer. So this is how you have to do the series questions. Next, few more questions we will do. After that we will practice the real time questions. Okay. Now you see what is happening from first figure to second figure, second to figure to third figure. This arrow, there is one arrow, it rotated in clockwise direction, one arrow became two arrows, it rotated in clockwise direction, three arrows. So definitely it has to rotate in clockwise direction. You are expecting four arrows. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Next. Next, you see, there is a one stair. Metlu is a metlu. There is a one stair. This is a two steps. This is a three steps. Definitely, you will expect one, two, three, four steps. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Now we'll see some important question. Okay. 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 By the time I draw the answers, you just start thinking. Okay. Just guess what is the answer. Just not guessing. Tell me what is the answer. Okay, now I have already told you in my previous videos there is a concept of 8-stop concept and 4-stop concept. Did you remember? If you have not seen my previous videos, we have covered 4 mental ability types already: odd man out, mirror images, analogy, and odd man out, mirror images, analogy. And what is another mental ability type? Odd man out, mirror images, analogy, pattern matching. These 4 we have completed. You can just check the past videos. In one of the video I have explained 4-stop and 8-stop concept. Now you see, from here to here the arrow rotated in clockwise direction. How many degrees? You forget about degrees, but I told you if it is a circle, just revise. Let me revise that concept. If a movement happens from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-stop concept. If the movement is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-stop concept. Now you see, as it is in intermediate, it is not any corner. And it has moved like this. So one step. It moved from here to here, one step in clockwise. Now you see, from here to here, one step, two step. So two step clockwise. Now you expect it to move 3 steps. From here to here, one step. This is 2 step. This is 3 step. So the answer is B. B is the correct answer. Hope you got it. So now it is like this. It is moved like this, one step. In next, 1, 2, 2 steps. Next you see 1, 2, 3. You see, there might be another answer that you can guess another answer also for this. How means from here to here one step, from here to here 2 steps. Again you can think of one step, but that option is not there in the answers. There can be this answer also. So in order to remove the ambiguity, he has not put this answer. మిమ్మల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చేయొద్దని ఇలాంటి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టలేదు. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఆన్సర్స్ లాజిక్ విల్ చేంజ్. ఆన్సర్స్ ని బట్టి మన లాజిక్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 1 స్టెప్ మూవ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి 1, 2 స్టెప్స్ మూవ్ అయింది. కొంతమంది అగైన్ 1 స్టెప్ మీన్స్ దే థింక్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆన్సర్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. So the thing is 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. You have to increase the steps. So if at all this answer is there, then definitely this answer would not be there in the options. You will not give both the answers so that he don't want to confuse you. Okay, next. So this 4-stop, 8-stop concept is very important. Listen, everybody listen all my previous 4 mental ability type videos. Okay. Next question we'll see. This is a question. Think, think the question. By the time I write the answers, be ready with your answer. Yes, you can do. Okay, it's A, B, C, D. థింక్ చేయండి వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు హియర్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ ఫస్ట్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ లాలీపాప్. అజ్యూమ్ దట్ లాలీపాప్, యూ ఈట్ ఏ లాలీపాప్, రైట్? విజువలైజ్ హౌ యూ వాంట్. సో వైల్ సాల్వింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్, ఎవ్రీబడి will have their own visualization. You see there is a matchstick or lollipop, whatever it may be. Assume that this is a lollipop. In next figure, it has exactly reversed. It is going up, it has become down. And after that, to the opposite of this, as it is going down, arrow came in the opposite direction. From here to here, that is the change. In the next step, you see the lollipop again rotated, down became up, the arrow up became down, and again new lollipop has come. So in this question, a lollipop arrow are coming by following some logic. That is the thing. Now in the next question, you see this lollipop has to get reverse. First one should be reverse. So this is correct, this is correct, this is wrong. So first one directly elimination of wrong. This is wrong, this is wrong. Next you see uh, arrow should also get reverse, arrow should get reverse. Okay, here arrow is down, this is wrong. Here arrow is up, okay. You see here arrow is down, this is also wrong. Now cross verify. Lollipop should be down, okay. Arrow should be up, okay. Lollipop should be down, okay. Arrow should come up, okay. This is the correct one. So solving a series question is very easy. Just understand what is happening from first to second, second to third, and just apply the same logic to get the answer. As usual, we will check some real-time questions which came in the previous exams. You see, in the series question, by seeing the question itself, you can understand it is a series question. There is no need of reading the explanation. If at all you are confused, just see in the explanation, the problem figures are in the series. You will see a word like this, series. Then you have to understand that this is a series question. Okay. Now we'll start with the question. Check in the first question what's happening from first diagram to second diagram. See, when you see, first see these circles. See these circles. The dot, you see this color dot has moved in anti-clockwise direction and came here. Next this color dot moved anti-clockwise direction and came here. Next you expect this color dot should be in the top. When it move anti-clockwise direction, you expect here. Series question lopala, when you have so many things in the diagram, start picking one part and check its behavior, then next jump to the other things. Okay, like that you should start doing in the series question. Now you see in the diagrams, here the dot is not in the up, straightforward, this is wrong, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Now when you see here, these things are attached to the sides at the center. But here you see these are attached at the corners. So this is also wrong. You can eliminate these two things straightforward. Now come back to the question again. Now you see we have to see this one. This thing, this stick-like things which is attached, they have moved in the anti-clockwise direction. They also moved in the anti-clockwise direction. Now you see this has moved here. Okay, this line has moved here. This so all the things in the figure, whichever is attached, moved in the anti-clockwise direction. Or simply you can think entire figure is moved in the anti-clockwise direction. మీరు చూసినట్టయితే మొత్తం ఫిగర్ యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఫస్ట్ నుంచి సెకండ్ కి మూవ్ అవుతుంది, సెకండ్ నుంచి థర్డ్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. వెన్ యూ రొటేట్ దిస్ ఇన్ యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్, so this straight line should be here, this arrow line should be here. Okay, like this line will be there, this line will come in the bottom, and again when you move this line will come here and circle will be here. So the answer is this one. So this is the correct answer. Next you see this question, one hexagon, six-sided figure is called hexagon. To the hexagon, one line is attached. From next figure to hexagon, a line is attached towards outside. Next you see in the next diagram, this side is left, this side he has left, and he came to next side. In the next side, he has attached the line. So definitely you expect that this line should be left, and to this next line this has to come. So how you will expect the answer? This line has to means there should not be any line like this, because you have to leave this line. You have to leave this line. I hope you are getting. Ikkada I'll explain in Telugu. Listen to me. Whoever is not understanding, from here to here, one line has you have got one line additional. Now in the next step, in the next side he has not attached the line. In next side ki attach cheyaledu line. Dani next line to the next side of next side he has attached the line. So similarly you have to leave this side and you have to attach here. So this is okay, so he has attached to next, this is wrong, immediate side. Now you see this itself wrong. Now you see this two, from here this side is left, next side attached, this side is left, next side attached. So C is the correct answer. I hope you got it. Next, this question, there is some flag like structure is there, same figure is here, and additionally this has come, and next some, so these are seeing in the anti-clockwise direction. You see these flags faces are in the anti-clockwise direction. So definitely, but whichever should come, it should also see anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clock, 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 anti-clock. Correct. So this is the correct answer. Next, you see this question from first to second, one circle, second circle, third circle should be there, clockwise direction. So the answer is this. Next, there is a one step, one X. Next step has come. Next step has come. Or else think that ఈ step ని పైకి దొబ్బేసినాడు. This step has lifted up and some new step has come. So two steps. Again this two has pushed up. Some third step has come. So that is the reason three stars. Again push these up. So one, two. So first step one, second step two, third step three, fourth step four. This is the correct. Next you see what is happening here. So plus is there, plus minus minus. When you see from, as I told you in analogy, you have to check the relationship between the first figure to second series, sorry, in series you have to check the relationship between the first figure to second figure first. What is happening? Plus plus minus plus. Okay, from here to here what happening is one plus has come, one plus has come. So everything whatever is there here, here it is there, plus minus here, plus minus here. So this minus below this plus has come. Okay. Next, from here to here who has come? Plus has come. From here to here plus has come. Next, from this step to this step what happened? Minus has come. Who has come? Minus. Next, from this step to this step who has to come? Plus has to come. Plus has to come. So now you see this is wrong because this part is changed. This is also wrong because this part should not get disturbed. This is okay. This is okay. You see this is also wrong. Initially plus minus is, now cross verify. Plus, plus minus, minus plus, minus plus. So this is the correct. So elimination of wrongs is a very beautiful technique to get the correct answer. Whenever the question is very tough, you just proceed with elimination of wrongs. Next question. Four lines are there. One line is removed, and next one line is removed in the anti-clockwise direction. Next you have to remove this line. So the answer would be this. Next. Next you see from this figure to this figure, what is happening? This circle moved in clockwise, this circle moved in clockwise, this triangle moved here, this triangle moved here, and some shade has come to the triangle. Again in next figure, this circle moved here, so came here, this triangle moved here, so came here, lines, this triangle moved here and it came with shade, this circle came here, and you see all are rotating in the clockwise direction, and by step every figure is completely filling with one shade or style. Now what you observe here, these also you should rotate and circle should get filled. So definitely this circle has to be here. Here the colored circle should be there. This is the first thing you know. Now you see this is okay, this is wrong, this is okay, this is wrong. So uh, two wrongs are there, two wrongs are there, this is okay, this is okay. Next you expect this triangle should to go here. You see this triangle is not here, this is also wrong. You see triangle is here, okay. Next you expect this triangle to go ahead, okay, this is okay. Next you expect this circle to go here shaded, yes, this is the correct one. Next, so what's happening from this figure to this figure? You see, this has rotated in the clockwise and shifted to next corner. Next, this has shifted to next corner. Next, this should shift to this corner. So you expect diamond. Diamond should be here. So this is okay. This is okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. Next. Next, you see this center part pentagon. It is not changing anywhere. So it is up here. It has become down here. It is up here. Next, it should be down. Okay, down. Here it is up. So this is also straightforward. Now cross verify this square also from a rectangle. From here to here it jumped this corner. From here to here it jumped this corner. Next jump it has to be this corner. So all are arranged. This is the correct. Next, this question you see, in a, this colored part of the circle has moved one step clockwise. Okay. Next, one two steps clockwise. Next, one two three steps clockwise. So the color has to be here. The color has to be here. So from here to here, one step. Next, one two steps. Next, one step. You see, there are chances of this figure is also to be the answer. There are chances of this figure also to be answer, because you see from here to here one step. Okay. Next, one two steps. Next, if you think of one step, then it would be the answer. But you have this answer also is there. That is the reason you should give preference to this one. You see, when two answers you find correct, give the preference to that which has more logic. Which has more logic. Next question. Uh, what's happening from here to here? This has jumped here. Okay. This star has come here. Okay. This square has come. Okay. Every figure rotated in the clockwise direction. Again clockwise. Again clockwise. So next star should be this corner. Star is not there in this corner. This is wrong. This is okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now you just cross verify. Star okay. Triangle should come this corner. Okay. Triangle came right. Next square should jump to next corner. Okay. Square came right. Next this circle has to come this corner. Everything matches. This is the correct one. Next, this question. So diamond is interchanged. Okay, this question seems to be important. Now you see in the first row. In the first row you have a diamond rectangle. In the second row plus into pentagon star. When you observe this figure to this figure, what is happening? Just these two interchange. అంటే ఇది ఒకదాని ప్లేస్ లో ఒకటి వచ్చినాయి. These two things. Diamond has come in the rectangle place, rectangle has come in the diamond place. But remaining these things are not interchanged. ఇవి మారలేదు. అవి రెండు మట్టుకు ఒకదాని ప్లేస్ లో ఒకటి వచ్చింది. Now from here to here what happened? This first step is same. Next step, second row interchange. Now you got the logic. So in the next step, these two should be same, and the third row should get interchanged. Okay. So rectangle should be as it is, diamond should be as it is, into should be as it is, plus should be as it is. Now this has to be interchanged. Star should come here and pentagon should come here. Pentagon should come here. So this is the correct answer. Check diamond this is wrong. There is a mistake. This is also wrong. Square diamond into plus star. This is the correct. Next, next you see this figure. Here there are two figures. First, this C-like curve is rotated in the anti-clockwise direction, and this center circle came and attached in the bottom. Again, this has rotated anti-clockwise direction. It has come into the center. Again, you expect this to be like this, and it should be attached to the bottom tip. So the answer would be is the correct. Next, next you see this question. So there are some steps. Here you have an arrow. After that, he tied a thread to the arrow. Okay. After that, next step is what? Putting the arrow. Putting the arrow to this dhanus. Okay. Now you see archer. This is the archer. So he has tied a thread. After that, once this archer is ready, you have to put an arrow, and it has to be in the same direction. Same direction. So the answer is the correct. This is a variety question. Next, you see here one line is there, one line has come in the next step, bottom. Next means in the clockwise. When you see this, if you rotate it, it will go clockwise. If you start extending it, it will. So if you start extending it, it will go. So next it should be the clockwise. So this is wrong. This is moving in the anti-clock. Here there is a mistake. You see this is clockwise, this is clockwise, this is clockwise, this is clockwise. So this is the correct. Next, next you see this question. What is happening in this question? Entire figure is rotated in the clockwise. మొత్తం డయాగ్రామ్ అంతా క్లాక్ వైజ్ లో ఇలా రొటేట్ చేసినాడు. నెక్స్ట్ తర్వాత డయాగ్రామ్ అంతా క్లాక్ వైజ్ లో రొటేట్ చేసినాడు. Assume it in your brain. You won't rotate. You don't rotate. You just assume. Okay. Rotate the things in your brain, not physical rotation. Okay. Next, rotate like this. This equal to should be here, and this x will go here. This when you see this v symbol will become less than symbol. Less than symbol. So x less than or equal. So this is the correct. Next. Next, you see this question. There are three parts: one rectangle, one left slanting line, one small rectangle with line. First, I check this left slanting line. Next figure, right slanting line. Next figure, you expect like left slanting. Next, it should be right slanting line. So all are right. Okay. Next, you see here there is a rectangle with line. In the next step, in an anti-clockwise direction, it jumped into. You see there is a circle with a line. Here you have vertical line. You have a horizontal line. Now you see in the next figure, the rectangle has come into this corner and two lines are there. Okay. You see, when you feel the question tough, start thinking in a simple way. In the attached part, one line is there here. Here's a vertical line, horizontal line, vertical two lines. Next you expect circle with the two horizontal lines. You see, is there two horizontal lines here? No, this is wrong. Do you have two horizontal lines here? No, this is wrong. Do you have two horizontal lines here? This is wrong. You see here, there is a circle with two horizontal lines. Just simply put this. Don't think too much. Just think in a simple way to get the answer. Next. Next you see this question. The circle is pointing this corner. It has moved just 45, 90 degrees. From here to here, here to here. So 90 degrees. This figure is rotated and it came in the 8 stop. You can think of 4 stop, 8 stop concept. It came here. Next it has moved to this corner. Next it should be here. So the circle should be here. This star part should be here. And this triangle should be here. And square should be here. And all should be joined. So where is the circle, circle, circle? This is the correct. Next, you see one pile, two piles, three piles. Just some small pile should come up. Maybe pebbles or water. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the correct. Next, you see from this figure to this figure, what happened? This is reversed. Again, this is reversed. Again, just reverse it. Very simple question. So this is the correct answer. Next. Okay. You see this question. So there is one small curved line attached to this side. Next in the anti-clockwise direction, one more attach. Next in the anti-clockwise direction, one more attach. Just do it in the anti-clockwise direction and you have to attach. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the correct. We have to check that arrangement also. Here this is okay. This there is a mistake here. You check properly. Here this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. But this is okay. This is okay. Uh, like this. You see here there is a mistake here itself. Okay. Next, like this. Here there is a mistake. So all are rotating here in the anti-clockwise direction. You see when you extend anti-clock and clock, all are rotating in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. If you extend them, they start rotating like this, the clockwise rotation. Next question. You see what's happening from this figure to this figure. So this has jumped here in the clockwise direction. This has jumped here and this has jumped here one step ahead. Again you see this moved here, this moved here. So every figure is moving in the clockwise direction one step ahead. So when you do this, this will come here. Arrow should be here and this equal to should be here and this should be here. So arrow equal to this. So this is the correct answer. This should be empty. Next you see this question. So what's happening here? First think of these lines. You see here there is a one line. Here you see there is a two lines. Here you see one, two, three lines. So you expect four lines. You expect four lines. That is the thing. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is wrong. This okay. Next think of this. There is a stick like thing in the above. There is x has come. Again stick like. Again x should come. So this is also wrong. So x is there. Here x is not there. So this is also wrong. Now cross verify this x has come. 4 lines has come. This is correct. Elimination of wrongs. Elimination of wrongs. Very important. Next. So this is a 2 line figure, next 3 line figure, 4 line figure, next 5 line figure has to come. You see this is a 5 line figure, this is the correct answer. Next, you see this question. So what is here? Think in a simple way. One dot, here two dots, again two dots. Now here 1x, same 1x, again 2x. So in first step dot increased, in second step x increased, in third step dot should increase. So you should have three dots. You should have three dots and 2x. So you see three dots are not there. Straightforward, this is wrong. Here x and dots are there. This is wrong. Here three dots, okay. In the bottom you see there is a dot. This is also missing. So 3 dot 2x. Like that, whenever you go, you catch any wrong thing, you just eliminate it and you can move toward the correct answer. So like this, you have to solve the series questions. Just practice different type of questions from different textbooks. Then you will become perfect in them. Okay? Thanks.